Alright, today we are going to look at one-step equations. One step. All you should have to do is one thing in order to solve this. So we'll start off with x plus 3 equals 12. So this is x plus 3. We're looking to get the x by itself. Plus 3, what's the opposite of addition? Getting it to the opposite side, opposite thing. So subtract 3, those cancel. 12 minus 3 is 9. So the solution to this is x equals 9. Let's go over to this one. We got y minus 7 equals 13. We need to get this y by itself. So we have to move this first. We have y minus 7. Opposite is addition. Do it to both sides. These cancel out on the left. Y equals 13 and 7 gives us 20. So we go over to this one. We need to get this x by itself. What plus 6 equals 4 is a positive 6. So we gotta subtract 6. Gotta subtract 6. So you got x left over there. 4 minus 6 equals negative 2. Then, one last time, for one step with adding and subtracting, x minus 2. Gotta get the x by itself, so you gotta bring this 2 to the opposite side, so we do the opposite thing. Got x here, 10 plus 2, 12. Again, sometimes we'll use the calculator on those, so it'll help us out and get the simple math for us. So then we go over here. I'm looking at now. 3 times x equals 24. This is multiplication, that's 3 times x. What's the opposite of multiplication? Division. Divide 24 by 3, we get 8. So look here. This is 12 times x, opposite of multiplication, division. So you get x equals 12. And then we look here. This is 5 times x. We're trying to get this x by itself. So opposite of multiplication is division. Opposite of multiplication is division. Negative 10 divided by 5 gives us a negative 2. So the solution x equals negative 2. And then this one, we have got negative 7 times y equals 22. So that means we got to divide by negative 7. Got to divide by negative 7. So we've got a negative divided by a negative, so we got a positive. It's equal to a y. So we got to take 22 and 7. Doesn't work out nicely. So we pull out our calculator. 22 divided by 7 gives us, let's just go to 2 decimal places. We got 3.14. So y equals at 3.14 out of that one. So doing the opposite, doing the opposite, doing the opposite. So we got one more page here. We got x divided by 4. What's the opposite of division? Oh, multiplication. It's going to multiply by 4. Cancels that one out. So x equals 32. We look at this one. We got y divided by negative 3. So to get this to the other side, we got to multiply by negative 3. Cancels that, brings it over. So y equals 6. We're looking at this one. X divided by negative 5. So we gotta multiply by negative 5. So x equals negative 50. And then this last one here, we've got negative x equals 14. Well, what number would go in front here? Well, if there's no number, it's a 1. So it's negative 1 times x. What's the opposite of multiplication? Division. Divide by negative 1. Divide by negative 1. X is equal to, well, 14 divided by 1, negative 14. So there's our going through and solving one-step equations. Do the opposite to get it to the opposite side. Doing the opposite to get it